Hello everybody, my name is Jason Hay, National Sales Manager of Mamaki Australia. Today I'll be joined by Tamitsu Harada-san, our General Manager for Mamaki Australia, and we'll be showcasing or demonstrating the CF22-1225RC-S. In this video, we'll show you a packaging application which enable you to have a finished box like this one, which has been printed from the JFX 200 using our clear and wide option. Throughout the demo, we'll be showing you how to use the Finecut software, the final application, and we'll just finish with that one. What I wanted to do first, though, is I want to explain a little bit about the CF22-1225 and its tool application. The CF22-1225 currently holds 3 different tools. Each tool has its own purpose, and I'll quickly explain that. Tool A enables you to cut or kiss cut self-adhesive vinyl, UPO, synthetic bond paper, anything like that, up to 1 mil thick, or kiss cut. What that enables you then to do is to create small run packaging of 1 mil thick cardboard. It's quite thin and things like that. That's what option A does for you, with 500 grams of pressure. Tool B, which enables you to cut 1,500 grams of pressure of substrates up to 4 mil thick. So today within our application, we will be showing you the B fluid application to create the black box, but to show you that 1,500 grams of pressure up to 4 mils of thick. The third tool, which enables you to cut thicker substrates, and a couple of substrates that I've got here is Xanita board and Form PVC. But what this tool does, it gives you 5,000 grams of pressure to enable you to cut those more rigid substrates. Hello everybody, it's Jason Thomas again here, just going through the tool configuration of the CF22-1225. As you can see here, this particular model that we're working with is the RC-S. Reciprocator, the creasing tool, which enables us to cut or hold 3 different types of tools at once. What I want to show you here is the tools that come standard with the CF22-1225. In obviously tool option A, which we said before, is up to 1 mil thick or 500 grams of pressure, is this particular tool here, up to 4 mil. Anything above 4 mil is option tool option tool 2, which goes between 4 and 10 mil of thickness. We then go to the secondary tool, option B, which enables us to do kiss cut or through cut of sticker work, vinyl or synthetic paper, or just generically cutting of papers. Tool C, as you can see here, is the increasing tools of the low pressure and also the high pressure tool, which I'll show you an application later in regards to what these particular tools can do. And obviously the last tool is the 5,000 PSI pressure tool, which enables you to obviously cut substrates up to 10 mil of thickness. What's going to happen now, Thomas-san's going to load these particular tools, show us, and then we'll load the sheet of material for us to cut.
Hello, this is Tomo. I'm showing you how to load tools for CF22-1225. Right, we will start from a B tool here. So B tool, we will choose the less than 4 millimeters thickness or more than 4 millimeters thickness. Obviously, it's a reciprocator. So today we are cutting 3 millimeters of B tool. So we are cutting this tool into the B head. So make sure your direction is right. And that's the tool into B head. Before that, you need to make sure that the depth of the knife is right. To adjust, loosen the knob and turn the handle lower or higher in order to get the right thickness to the substrate. After that, use the tool, the hex range, came with machine to make it tighten. Done. For the C head, today we are cutting diffrent, so we are using this roller tool. There is no depth adjustment for the roller tool or creasing tool. So you just make sure the direction is right and use the flat screwdriver coming with machine. And that's it. So we do not need the A tool for KissCut for today's application. So we will not show you attach the tool. So it's ready to go. All right, today I'm showing you how to use Mimaki Finecut 9 software, which is plugin software for Mimaki's cutting plotter to be installed in Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw. Once you install the software, Finecut 9, please make sure it's open the small window. If it's not showing the window, click Window menu in Adobe Illustrator top menu and click Mimaki Finecut. It's showing small window of Mimaki Finecut. For box and packaging application, once you have flattened data artwork for the box, what you need to do is you need to separate cutting layer and creasing layer as different color. So for the artwork today, I'm showing red part as cutting with tangential knife on the second head. For creasing layer, I'm showing with green color for creasing head. So once the artwork is prepared, you need to start Finecut 9 software operation. So the first, you need to make sure the connection with cutting plotter. So click the menu button on Finecut 9 and make sure CF22-1225 is selected. And the communication port is opened and machine is detected. Once you verify those settings, click OK to confirm. For the cutting output, select the left menu for the cutting output. When you get a warning message, click OK. So it's now showing the box flattened data before sending to a cutting plotter CF22. First, you need to select the tool mode for both colors. Green color for creasing and red color for cutting. So click the little triangle menu and select specifying the tool on each color. you need to preset on the cutting plotter CF22 machine for what tool and setting to allocate the cut setting from 1 to 6. So this time, we set the plotter, the tool for creasing, and one for cutting. So once the cutting condition for each color is confirmed, click plot button and click plot to output the data.
Hello again, everybody. Jason A. After setting up the cutting tools by Tomitsu Harada-san, now we obviously want to print the cutting box. What I wanted to do first is obviously just show you that the CF22 has 4 different vacuum areas. Those vacuum areas are currently on. All right, so we can actually set it up so only half the bed, if it's only using a substrate that's 1200 by 1200, we can obviously just have the first 2 on and the second 2 off. What that'll enable you to do is obviously give you more pressure per square meter to enable you to hold that particular substrate down. Okay. What I'll do now is I'll hit remote. We currently have this CF2 set up. The vacuum will automatically turn on once we've hit the remote key. Now that can be set up in the software, regardless of the actual application that you're trying to do. Today we're actually going to show you that application. I'm back. So after 2.5 minutes, what you'll find is that you'll have a perfectly cut box, cut out. Can't reach over to the other side of this. You'll have a perfectly cut box out, which will enable you to finish off the final product from the JFX200EX and create your packaging tools for you and your business. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining Tomitsu Harada-san, our General Manager of Market Australia. We'll see you next week.